Everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, today we will finding some toys around this ditch. Okay, let's go, guys. What is this? Wow, la la, this is sour, guys. Ha ha ha. Oh, the ditch, no water. Wow, this is tayo, guys. Oh, ha ha. I spot. Okay, let's go to that. Oh, wow. Oh, guys, I spot one tayo, guys. Oh la la. Okay, let's go. Correctly, guys. Tayo. Oh la la. Okay, pick there. Let's find more another toy here. You can see that. Oh, I got another more. Woohoo! This is dump truck, guys. Okay. Wow, wait. I spot another more. Wow, let's go. Wow, this is ambulance. Oh la la. Okay, let's collect here. Put first like this. Yeah, we got already 3 toys. Let's go more. Wow, another more. We got tractor, guys, and this is firefighter. Okay, put here. Okay, can see here. Wow, this is tractor. We got firefighter. Oh, how do we? Oh, wow. Okay, let's take another. So many toys in this ditch. Oh la la. Wow. Oh la la. Very amazing, guys. We spot so many toys with this sawo. Sawo, guys. Okay, just put like this. Yeah, what you got today? Yeah, you can see this one. I got many toys here, guys. Wow. Okay, put here first. Okay, and then we have to push this one. Guys, let's go. You take more another toys. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, this is sheep. Ooh la la. Wow, wait, another more. We got plane. Yeah, and the last one. Yeah. We got so many toys today here. Oh la la. Oh wait. We got another more. Wow, so many here. What is this? Yeah, teropong. Wow, we got Spider-Man. Lah, put there. Wow, we got helicopter, guys. Wow, dinosaur here. Oh la la, very good dinosaur. Okay, take there. Wow, we got pistol. This is hammer, yeah. Very good hammer, guys. Okay, thank you guys for visiting my channel. Bye bye.